This is the Rive Drill, and it is the easiest and most convenient way to install a rivet. Let's get right to it. Tighten the jaw of any 3/8 or 1/2 inch drill onto the Rive Drill. Then insert the mandrel into it. Place the rivet and then run the drill motor forward until you hear a click and the mandrel breaks. That's it. You're done. The rivet is set. To move on to the next, simply run the drill motor in reverse to eject the mandrel and you're ready for the next one. The Rive Drill is fast, simple, and easy. You may be currently using one of these tools to set rivets, but you probably aren't thrilled with them. Sure, this traditional hand riveter works, but it takes as much as 77 pounds of force, so it is very tiring to place larger rivets. Plus, it's slow. A larger tool like this gives you more leverage and is easier to use, but it's fairly expensive, is really unwieldy, and it cannot get into tight spaces. A pneumatic gun is fast and easy, but they're expensive and you do not always have air where you're trying to work. Solving all these problems is what makes a Rive Drill so great. It's very easy to use. You just run it on a drill motor, it's fast, it's fairly compact, and all you need is a drill. A Rive Drill will work with any type of blind rivet, from steel to aluminum to stainless steel, and from buttonhead to large flange to countersunk rivets. If you're looking for a better way to set rivets, try a Rive Drill. Part number 7533 works with rivets up to 1/4 inch, and part number 7534 comes with nose pieces to work with 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16 inch diameter rivets.